What is going on, guys? It's your RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got the Nissan Fairlady Z from the Fast and Furious franchise. Now before we get to the car, you guys noticed my logo changed. I actually redid my entire logo to try to make it a bit nicer, because I've been doing a few merchandise planning as well, you know, keychains, stickers, you know, to promote my channel a little bit. But the other thing you guys would realize is actually I changed my logo about 2 months ago, but why you're only seeing the new logo now is because I actually pre-recorded a bunch of videos. It was my exam period in university, and I just pre-recorded them because I didn't want to commit too much time into videos. But anyways, we are back today, and with the new logo, it's a brand new start, a brand new fresh start. We're actually closing into our 1 year anniversary in this channel, so I'm super pumped for that. And the past year has been amazing with all of you, so huge shout out to you, and thanks for all the support and the love and the comments that you guys have been giving me recently. Anyways, we're gonna dive right into the vehicle. So obviously, like I mentioned, I have the Nissan Fairlady Z. Now I actually got this from Jordan from Daily Diecast SG. So obviously I had to protect it on. But here's the card, and it just looks amazing. So Jordan actually came over to Jurong Point, near my house in the west side of Singapore, for a diecast event, and he brought this along, and I actually saw it, and he told me, you know, it's a good car to buy and it's nice, and I immediately jumped on the offer, and I got this from the Fast and Furious franchise, which makes it that much cooler. I'm a huge Fast and Furious fan. And then we're gonna quickly unbox this, so we're just gonna get on right into it. Let me just get my pen knife in. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Quite fast. And obviously you guys know I keep the cards and I will paste them in the wall, but for now we're gonna focus on the car first. So obviously we've got the Nissan Fairlady Z from the Fast and Furious franchise. Now just in case you guys are wondering, the other cars in this collection, obviously we've got the RX-3, the Skyline C210, Skyline 2000 GTX, as well as the Silvia. Honestly, out of all 4 cars here, I think this is actually the best looking car, and you guys will see in a bit why. So let's just start off. First things first, you guys check out the wheels. The wheels spin amazingly well, and they are these 4-spoke rims, and they are cambered, because you guys see right, this car it's not wide bodied, but it has got super huge flares at the back and slightly big flares in the front. But you're gonna get on that in a while. But let's just start with the wheels. So obviously the wheels spin amazingly well for premiums. You guys have actually noticed that recently the premiums have better wheel, you know, the better quality, which is insanely nice to see. It's amazing. And then we got the design on the vehicle. So I am trying to decipher. It looks like a Beetle. So this looks like a Beetle. I think there's a wave, some sort. Let me know what the decals are. I'm not really sure. I don't know if you guys can see closely. Let me just try to get the focus right. But it actually says Fairlady Z right here, which is a very nice, subtle little detail. Obviously, we got the fuel intake right there, and obviously the decal. It actually carries onto the top as well, which is very nice. See the little attention to detail. Like I mentioned to you, very thick flash right there. I don't know why the focus is not working very much. I hope that's better. Yeah, so you guys can see the extra wide flash right there, and the front flash as well. I'm so sorry about the focus. I don't know why my phone's acting up. And if you move on to the front of the vehicle, look at the headlights, guys. Those headlights are actually painted. They're not plastic temples. They're actually painted headlights. But still, it looks really amazing. Obviously, you've got a Nissan logo right there in the front. Very nice bumper, very clean, sleek bumper. Not much details. Obviously, we've got a decal right here. You can actually see how long the front bonnet is compared to, you know, the cabin or even the rear of the vehicle. So, you know, it's a very nice car. It's a very decent looking car. There are a few scratches here. I think that's just by mistake. And if you look at the left side of the vehicle, here where it gets interesting. The decals here that you guys just saw, that I just went through, they are not here. So it's a one-sided decal kind of thing. Not really sure why. I think they just try to replicate a Fast and Furious design, and I assume they didn't have it on there as well. Obviously, if you look at here, it's very plain, and even without the decals, guys, I mean, check it out. It looks insanely amazing. You know, the paint job, the glossy paint job. Obviously the matte black or the satin black finish at the front. But all in all, I think it looks really amazing. Once again, the Fairlady Z logo right there. And wheels, once again, spin amazingly well. You can see how wide the flares are, the fender flares are. If we move on the back, here's where it gets nice. Obviously, we've got the circular headlights, the tail lights, sorry, which is very iconic of Nissan. We've got the fairlady Z written in the middle right there, and a license plate that says 0554, which looks just really nice. And obviously, you can see the rear. You can see the rear, what do you call this? The exhaust pipe right there, which actually protrudes out. So you can see a little attention to detail, which is really nice to see from Hot Wheels and from this amazing casting. If lastly we move on to the base of the car, so base wise, there are any details. Obviously there's some details here, the suspension struts and stuff. All in all, I think it looks amazing. Even the top, obviously we went through this decal that follows on through here. And if you actually look at the back, you can actually see some details in the interior as well, which is very nice to see. Obviously it looks like it's stripped down for weight reduction and stuff. But yeah, all in all, I think this car looks amazing. Just check that out. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you like this car, if you think this looks amazing. I honestly think it looks amazing. We're gonna do a few ring shots, guys, and I'll see you in the end.
And just like guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I had an amazing time unboxing this car. It's gonna go insanely well in my collection. But just like that, guys, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.